In this video, we listed the 5 best Canon camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel SL2. The Canon EOS Rebel SL2 is a compact and versatile DSLR camera designed for both amateur and intermediate photographers. It features a 3-inch LCD color screen with a maximum resolution of 1,040,000 dots, offering clear image previews and menu navigation. The camera includes various shooting modes such as Scene Intelligent Auto, Creative Auto, Special Scene, and Creative Filters, catering to diverse photography needs. With a 9-point autofocus system using phase detection technology, it supports automatic, continuous servo, manual, and single-servo autofocus options. The camera also includes video recording capabilities and a 10-second self-timer. The package comes with essential accessories like a battery charger, LC E17, battery pack, LP E17, lens dust cap, wide strap, and an EF S18-55mm f for -5.6 IS STM lens. With a strong 4.6 star rating from 770 customer reviews, it ranks number 388 in DSLR cameras on Amazon. Additionally, the camera supports both manual and automatic exposure control and has auto white balance settings for optimal image quality. Its lightweight design and built-in features make it an excellent choice for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a compact digital camera designed for adults, offering a blend of high-quality features and portability. It boasts a 20.1 MP CMOS sensor with a 4.2x optical zoom lens, providing a focal length range of 24 to 100 mm, 35 mm equivalent, and a maximum aperture for versatile shooting. The camera supports both JPEG and RAW file formats with a 14-bit depth for enhanced image quality. It includes various white balance settings, manual exposure control, and autofocus technology with contrast detection for precise imaging. The tilting 3-inch LCD touchscreen with 1,040,000 dots resolution enhances usability, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless connectivity. It also supports video recording in movie mode and offers optical image stabilization for steady shots. Other features include SD card compatibility, a self-timer, and micro HDMI output. With its compact design and advanced features, the G7X Mark III is ideal for photography enthusiasts seeking a versatile point-and-shoot camera. It has received positive customer feedback, averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars across 857 ratings, and ranks number 98 in digital point-and-shoot cameras on Amazon. Number 3. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is a high-performance 4K digital camera designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional image quality and advanced features. It boasts a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering sharp images with powerful telephoto reach and fast continuous shooting capabilities. Equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, it offers up to 651 autofocus zones, covering nearly 100% of the frame for precise subject tracking and crisp image capture. The camera supports high-speed shooting with a 15 frames per second mechanical shutter, a 30 frames per second electronic shutter, and RAW burst mode with pre-shooting functionality. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, ensures shake-free images and videos, even in challenging conditions. Compact and lightweight, the EOS R7 is designed for portability and ease of use, making it a versatile choice for capturing sports, wildlife, or everyday moments on the go. Number 4. Canon EOS R3 Camera. The Canon EOS R3 is a high-performance, compact digital camera designed for professionals, featuring a 24.1 megapixel stacked, backside illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor for exceptional image quality and low-light performance. Powered by the advanced DigicX processor, it offers an ISO range of 100-102-400, expandable to 204,800, and supports high-speed continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter or 30 frames per second with an electronic shutter. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system boasts 1053 AF points and advanced subject detection, including eye, body, face, head, with helmet detection, animal, and vehicle tracking, along with eye control AF for intuitive focus selection. The camera excels in video recording, capturing 6K RAW at up to 60 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and Full HD at up to 240 frames per second uncropped. Additional features include sensor shift image stabilization, panning assist for motion blur correction, and registered person priority for tracking up to 10 registered individuals. Compatible with Canon RF mount lenses, the EOS R3 is a versatile tool for photographers and videographers seeking cutting-edge performance and functionality. Number 5. Canon EOS R10 Camera. The Canon EOS R10 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed for high performance and versatility. It features a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the powerful Digic X image processor, delivering sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 1.50:1, 16:9, 4:3, and file formats, including CRAW, HEIF, JPEG, and RAW, ensuring flexibility for various shooting needs. It offers digital image stabilization, a maximum focal length of 45mm, and a maximum aperture of f/4.5. The EOS R10 is compatible with Canon RFS, RF lenses and EFS lenses using the mount adapter EOS R, making it adaptable to a wide range of photography styles. With high-speed continuous shooting at up to 15 frames per second using a mechanical shutter and advanced subject detection autofocus technology, it excels at capturing fast-moving subjects with precision. Other features include a vibrant anti-smudge LCD screen, center-weighted average metering, and an ISO range starting at 100. The camera operates with a Canon E17 battery pack and can be conveniently charged via USB. Included in the package are the camera body, a strap, battery charger, battery pack with cover, RF, S18-45mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens, lens cap, lens dust cap, and shoe cover, making it an excellent choice for photographers on the go.